Making money like a mint.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is a New Year's Eve glam made in partnership with JOAH. If you want to see how I got this electric blue makeup look, just keep watching. To start, I'm using the I'm So Fly Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner in black to create a bold, thick winged liner. This is a felt tip liner, which if you've been here for a while, you know is my absolute favorite kind of liner. It gives you the most control because the applicator is usually stiffer and is also the most opaque kind of eyeliner, so it creates that really dramatic wing. This liner is included in JOAH's new 2019 Let It Glow holiday gift set, which I'm going to be using today, so if you want to check out any of these products, make sure to check the description box for all the links. This set is priced at $29.99, which is a huge discount from the $75 value. Next, I'm going to apply a shimmery blue eyeshadow on top of the liner. I really like this technique. I think it creates a really striking eye look. Any shimmery eyeshadow on top of black liner is just so stunning. This blue I'm using is the shade Nocturnal from the Birthday Suit After Hours eyeshadow palette, which is a compact eyeshadow palette with 6 rich matte and shimmer shades. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm dipping into Nocturnal lightly with this soft, short-tipped eyeshadow brush. Moving on to the face, I'm just doing the same old routine, so I'm gonna fast forward and do the chit-chat part of this video. Every year I do a bold New Year's Eve glam and talk about what's happened that year. I was in a rush on this day, so I couldn't do it chit-chat style. But yeah, New Year's Eve looks are really special to me because that's how my channel started. This coming January marks my 3rd year on YouTube, which is pretty insane to me. I never really talked about this on my channel. Maybe I'll talk about it more in another video, but I almost quit YouTube last year. It was my first year in LA, which everyone says is the toughest, but you never realize how hard it is until you're actually here. I was just really unhappy with almost everything in my life, but now here we are, 2nd year in LA, and I don't almost book a flight back to Florida every other day. So, character development. The second half of this year was really good to me. I rediscovered that passion that I had for creating. I moved into a new apartment. I started working out more consistently. Also, thank you for 1 million subscribers. By the time this video is up, I probably already did my special live stream, so thank you to everybody who's been following my journey and has been supporting this channel, and I'm excited to show you what I have in store for 2020. I'm using the lightest shade in the Be My Everything highlighter palette in medium. Moving on to lips, I'm first going to line them. The lipstick included in the gift set is the Color Squad Cream Lipstick in Squad Goals, which is this dark raspberry shade, but I wanted a lighter nude for this look, so I'm using the Color Squad Cream Lipstick in Yas instead. And my camera cut off this last step, but I used the I'm So Fly Jumbo Liquid Eyeliner to draw dots underneath my eyes just to add something extra. I also think applying some of the blue eyeshadow to the center of the lips looks really cool. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to JOAH again for sponsoring this video. Remember to check out JOAH's Let It Glow holiday gift set, which will be linked down below, and I will see you in my next video.
You can't remember.